hi, Bloop Town friend!
Whoa!
Whoa! In the dirt!
Whoa!
Wow, great find, Splash! That looks like a T-Rex bone.
Waha!
The T-Rex was a huge meat-eating dinosaur. It had tiny arms and a giant, powerful bite. Oh, hello there, little one. This is Rex, a baby Triceratops who lives near the dig site. Triceratops were herbivores. That means they only ate plants. Never meat.
Look up! That's a pterodactyl, flying through the sky on giant leathery wings.
Paleontologists like me carefully dig up old bones to learn how dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. Splash tried his hand at careful digging, uncovering a small dinosaur tooth all on his own.
Waha!
Excellent work, Splash! That patience and care is exactly what makes a great paleontologist.
Let's remember our dinosaur friends. T-Rex, Triceratops, and Pterodactyl. Thanks for showing me your world, Rex. I learned so much about dinosaurs today. Thanks for digging up dinosaurs with us today. Which dinosaur is your favorite?